Have you ever struggled with the wrong tool for the job? Or wondered if there's a gadget out there that could make your project smoother, faster, or just plain easier? Today, we're uncovering a lineup of tools that might just be the game changers you've been searching for. From the everyday essentials to the innovative must-haves, these are tools designed to solve problems you didn't even know you had. Ready to explore? Let's jump in and find your new favorite. Mini chainsaw. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy chainsaw for small tasks? Meet the mini chainsaw, a compact and lightweight solution perfect for quick pruning, cutting small branches, or tackling DIY projects. Despite its small size, this tool packs a powerful punch, thanks to its high-performance motor that can handle tough tasks with ease. It's especially great for gardening enthusiasts who want to maintain their shrubs and trees without the hassle of a full-size chainsaw. Plus, it features a safety lock button and ergonomic grip, ensuring both ease of use and protection while you work. Whether you're a professional landscaper or just maintaining your backyard, the mini chainsaw will become your go-to tool for cutting tasks. Stair tread. Give your stairs a major upgrade with the stair tread. This innovative product combines safety and aesthetics, offering a reliable anti-slip surface that keeps your family and guests secure. Whether you have wooden, concrete, or tiled stairs, these treads are easy to install and provide excellent traction in both indoor and outdoor settings. The durable material resists wear and tear, ensuring they last for years even in high-traffic areas. Beyond safety, they add a sleek and modern touch to your staircase, elevating the overall look of your home. Perfect for families with kids or elderly members, the stair tread is a small investment with big benefits. Tubing cutters. When it comes to cutting pipes, precision is everything. That's where these tubing cutters shine. Built for accuracy and efficiency, they're ideal for plumbing, HVAC work, and other pipe-fitting tasks. The sharp, durable blades make clean, burr-free cuts on copper, aluminum, and plastic tubing. What's more, the ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to carry in your toolbox or pocket. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast working on home repairs, these tubing cutters are a must-have tool for the job. Works WX572L. Introducing the Works WX572L, a portable tabletop saw that's as versatile as it is compact. Perfect for cutting wood, metal, and even plastic, this tool is a game-changer for DIYers and professionals alike. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store, while the powerful motor ensures precise cuts every time. Its adjustable miter gauge and safety features make it suitable for a variety of projects, from building furniture to crafting small decorative pieces. Whether you're working in a limited space or need a reliable saw on the go, the Works WX572L is designed to meet your needs with efficiency and convenience. Band saw. The band saw is the ultimate tool for precision cutting, whether you're working on wood, metal, or other materials. Its design allows for smooth, intricate cuts, making it perfect for crafting curved or irregular shapes. The sturdy frame provides stability during use, while the adjustable blade tension ensures consistent performance. It's a favorite among woodworkers and metalworkers for its ability to handle both delicate and heavy-duty projects. Whether you're crafting custom furniture or working on artistic designs, this bandsaw is a reliable and versatile addition to your workshop. Wolfcraft Adapter. The Wolfcraft Adapter is a small tool with a big impact. It bridges the gap between various power tools and accessories, making your projects more seamless and efficient. Designed for durability and compatibility, it eliminates the frustration of mismatched parts. Whether you're switching drill bits or attaching specialized tools, the Wolfcraft Adapter simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. It's especially handy for professionals who work with a wide range of tools daily. Compact and easy to use, this adapter ensures that your projects stay on track without unnecessary interruptions. Impact hex drivers. Say goodbye to stripped screws with these impact hex drivers. Built for heavy-duty jobs, they're engineered to withstand high torque from impact drivers. Perfect for automotive work, construction, or assembly tasks, These drivers provide a secure fit that prevents slipping or rounding. Made from durable, hardened steel, they're designed to last even under tough conditions. The set comes in various sizes to tackle a wide range of screws and fasteners, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job. With impact hex drivers in your toolkit, you can take on any project with confidence and efficiency. Multi-purpose stripper. Stripping wires can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but not with the multi-purpose stripper. This tool is designed to handle a variety of wire sizes and types, making it a versatile choice for electricians, hobbyists, and DIYers. Its sharp cutting edges and precise stripping holes ensure you get clean, damage-free wires every time. The ergonomic handle provides comfort during extended use, while the spring-loaded mechanism reduces hand fatigue. Whether you're working on electrical repairs, home renovations, or creative projects, the multi-purpose stripper will save you time and effort. It's a tool you'll reach for again and again. Screw extractor set. Dealing with stripped or broken screws can be a real headache, but the screw extractor set is here to help. This set includes multiple sizes of extractors to handle screws of various types and sizes. The durable, hardened steel construction ensures they can withstand the toughest jobs, from rusted bolts to stubborn screws embedded in wood or metal. Using them is simple. Drill a small hole, insert the extractor, and twist it out effortlessly. Whether you're a professional mechanic or tackling a DIY repair, this screw extractor set is a must-have for your toolbox. Pocket screwdriver. Convenient, portable, and always handy, the pocket screwdriver is the perfect tool for quick fixes on the go. Designed to fit comfortably in your pocket or bag, it's ideal for small adjustments, assembly tasks, or quick repairs. Despite its compact size, this tool offers robust performance with a secure grip and interchangeable tips to handle various screw types. Whether you're working on electronics, furniture, or small appliances, the pocket screwdriver is a practical addition to your everyday carry. Never find yourself unprepared for minor repairs again. Broadcast spreader. Achieve perfect lawn care with the broadcast spreader, a must-have tool for evenly distributing seeds, fertilizer, or even winter salt. This efficient spreader ensures consistent coverage, helping you save time and effort while achieving professional results. Its adjustable settings allow you to control the spread pattern, making it suitable for small gardens or large yards. With a sturdy design and easy-to-use handle, it's perfect for gardeners, landscapers, or homeowners looking to maintain a healthy and beautiful lawn. The broadcast spreader is your partner in year-round yard maintenance. Cable cutter. The cable cutter is your ultimate tool for handling wiring and cables with precision. Designed to deliver clean and effortless cuts, it's perfect for electricians, DIYers, or anyone working on electrical installations. The sharp, hardened steel blades can cut through thick cables with ease, while the ergonomic anti-slip handle provides a comfortable and secure grip. Compact and portable, it's an essential tool for both home and professional use. Whether you're trimming coaxial cables, electrical wires, or heavy-duty lines, the cable cutter ensures you get the job done efficiently and safely. Spirit level. Get precise measurements and perfectly aligned results every time with the spirit level. This essential tool is perfect for a variety of tasks, from hanging shelves and picture frames to construction and renovation projects. Its durable design and easy-to-read bubble vials make it simple to determine true horizontal or vertical alignment. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the spirit level helps you achieve flawless results with confidence. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and store, making it a must-have for every toolbox. Pocket toner. Troubleshooting cables can be a time-consuming task, but the pocket toner makes it fast and easy. This compact tool is designed to test and diagnose cables for continuity, shorts, and connections. It's a lifesaver for telecom professionals, electricians, or anyone working on home networking. The lightweight design fits in your pocket, while the bright indicators ensure clear, accurate results every time. Whether you're setting up a new system or maintaining an existing one, the pocket toner simplifies your work and ensures everything runs smoothly. Detail sander. Take your finishing projects to the next level with the detail sander. Designed for precision, This tool is perfect for smoothing tight corners, edges, and intricate designs. Whether you're refinishing furniture, crafting decorative items, or repairing woodwork, the Detail Sander delivers professional results with minimal effort. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, while the powerful motor provides consistent performance. With a range of sanding attachments available, this sander is versatile enough to handle a variety of materials and projects. It's the perfect tool for achieving a flawless finish every time. Inspection camera. See what's hidden in hard-to-reach places with the inspection camera. This high-tech tool is equipped with a flexible, extendable cable and a tiny camera at the end, perfect for diagnosing issues in plumbing, automotive repairs, or home maintenance. The bright LED light ensures a clear view, even in dark or narrow spaces. Whether you're inspecting pipes, behind walls, or inside machinery, this camera provides real-time visuals on its portable screen. Easy to use and incredibly versatile, the inspection camera is a must-have for anyone tackling detailed inspections or repairs. Wolfcraft level. Achieve pinpoint accuracy in your projects with the Wolfcraft level. Its sturdy construction and easy-to-read indicators make it a reliable tool for construction, carpentry, or home improvement. Whether you're leveling shelves, aligning tiles, or framing a room, this level ensures professional-grade precision every time. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while the high-quality materials guarantee long-lasting durability. If you're serious about getting your measurements right, the Wolfcraft level is an essential addition to your toolbox. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. We hope you've discovered some incredible gadgets to add to your arsenal. Don't forget, the right tool can turn a good project into a great one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and let us know in the comments which tool was your favorite. Until next time, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep building greatness with every project.